As a project manager in product development, it's important to me to keep an eye on the costs of my projects at all times. Previously, I relied on spreadsheets, but they don't offer an interface to the ERP system or other data sources. Linked tables and unclear formulas make this method error-prone instead of standardized. Not everything can be traced. And the documentation? Well, life is better with Classmate COSTPILOT. It helps me maintain a comprehensive overview. Deviations from target costs? I can spot those right away. For Classmate COSTPILOT combines cost information from a wide variety of sources, flexibly and dynamically. It uses a tree structure to indicate what the quality of the information is, for which components the actual costs diverge from the target costs and whether there are inconsistencies. Project states can be frozen and documented. I can also move from here directly to the connected sources. With Classmate COSTPILOT, I can get a handle on project cost controlling, even for complex projects.